Use the addition and multiplication tables for modulo 5 shown below to find the truth set of n times 4 plus n times 4 is equal to 1 mod 5. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. So we have two tables here. The first one is an addition table in modulo 5, and the second one is a multiplication table in modulo 5. The question wants us to use the table to find the truth set of this equation. As you can see from the table, the set of values that was used to draw the table are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. One of these values will satisfy this equation. So what we will do is that we will substitute these values into the equation one after the other and see which one of them will satisfy the equation. The equation is n times 4 plus n times 4 will give us 1 mod 5. So we will substitute these values into this equation one after the other. Let's begin with the first one, when n is equal to 0. When n is equal to 0, we will have 0 times 4 plus 0 times 4. Now, from our table, 0 times 4 will give us 0. So this will be equal to 0 plus 0. From our addition table, 0 plus 0 will give us 0. The equation says that n times 4 plus n times 4 should give us 1 in mod 5. What we are having here is 0 in mod 5. So it means that 0 will not satisfy the equation. Let's go on to the next one, which is 1. So we will put n is equal to 1 into the equation. When we do that, we will have 1 times 4 plus 1 times 4. So we will come to the multiplication table. 1 times 4 will give us 4. And so this will be equal to 4 plus 4. From our addition table, 4 plus 4 will give us 3. And so 4 plus 4 is giving us 3. So this is 3 in mod 5. From our equation, n times 4 plus n times 4 should give us 1 in mod 5. When we substitute n is equal to 1, we are having 3 in mod 5. So it means that 1 will not satisfy the equation. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is 2. So we will put n is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, we will have 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4. So we will go to the multiplication table and read 2 times 4. From our multiplication table, 2 times 4 will give us 3. And so this will be equal to 3 plus 3. We go to the addition table and find 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 1. And so this will be equal to 1 in mod 5. From our equation, n times 4 plus n times 4 will give us 1 in mod 5. And as you can clearly see, when n is equal to 2, this equation will be satisfied because, as we have seen from here, 2 times 4 plus 2 times 4 will give us 3 plus 3, which is 1 in mod 5. So it means that 2 will satisfy this equation. Let's consider the next number, which is 3. So when n is equal to 3, we will have 3 times 4 plus 3 times 4. From our multiplication table, 3 times 4 is 2. So this will become 2 plus 2. From our addition table, 2 plus 2 will give us 4. And so this gives us 4 in mode 5. And as you can clearly see, it means that when n is equal to 3, the equation will not be satisfied. The last one is 4. And that will give us 4 times 4 plus 4 times 4. From our multiplication table, 4 times 4 will give us 1. And so this will become 1 plus 1. From our addition table, 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have 2 in mode 5. Remember, all the values in the table are in mode 5. So 1 plus 1 will give us 2 in mode 5. And we can also see from here that when n is equal to 4, the equation will not be satisfied, because from the equation, n times 4 plus n times 4 should give us 1 in mode 5. So you can see from here that the only n value that will satisfy the equation is 2. When we look through the options here, we can see that the correct option is option C.